Well, one of them might be brighter than the other, but which one? Welcome, my friends. I'm Brian, and this is my YouTube channel, Your Couch Sucks. If you've been here before, thanks for stopping back. If you've never been here before, thanks for stopping in. I really appreciate it. Recently, the folks at Ravemen reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in doing a video on one of their new devices. It's called the NT201. It's a rear-facing radar made by Ravemen. It's a very similar type of device. It's a rear-facing radar that will detect cars coming up from behind you. At least that's what they project it to be able to do. I'm going to get this out, get it tested against the Garmin Varia radar head-to-head, and see which device works better, or if they're very similar, or if one device doesn't work at all. So I'm not really sure how well the audio is going to work, considering that it's quite windy out, but we'll take a look. So on this side we have the Ravemen radar, and on this side we have the Garmin Varia that I've been using for years. So what you should see is you'll see a dot running down the side on each radar, or actually head unit for each radar. In an ideal perfect world, they will match up and look the same, but I really don't know. All right, got the first car. They both actually match up pretty well right now. And that car is passing me right now. Actually, another car coming up right behind it. And another car. And they're turning on. It's going to be a lot of traffic, I would assume. There's two cars just passed already. So we'll get back to and actually, that one the Ravemen picked up already sooner than the Garmin. One. All right, there's the first car coming up. You'll see the colors on the side. That actually potentially shows the speed of the vehicle. Red is faster, orange is pretty fast, and then it'll turn green when they're gone by. And I should be getting a false positive somewhere in here. And there it is. Interesting, they were on both. I have no idea what causes that. And another car. You see how that one's red? It means the vehicle's moving a bit faster. Another one right behind it. Also might mean it's a bigger vehicle too. I'm really not sure. I'll look that up and let you know at the end. Should be a vehicle coming up behind me. And there it is. Nice old car there. Two cars coming up behind me. Three cars. Occasionally, if you see two dots that are right on top of each other, it's usually going to be a longer vehicle or a car or something towing something. And there's that car that was just pulling out of the driveway. All right, my friends, if you didn't skip to the end of the video and you actually watched it, you saw that these devices work very similar. Quite impressive, actually. I really didn't think the Ravemen was going to be able to compete with the Garmin that well, and this worked out very, very well as far as I'm concerned. I've had this Garmin for 4 or 5 years. It's been through a lot, all kinds of storms. I've dropped it, stepped on it, whatever, and it still keeps working. I can't speak to the longevity of the Ravemen at this point. It's new to me, but I will say for $90 for this device compared to a couple $100 for this device, that's impressive. I have an affiliate link down below. If you want to use that, great. If not, no worries. That's up to you. But I want you to know one thing before you leave. Your couch sucks. It's time for you to get up, get on, and get out and ride your bike, but do it safely with a radar device. Have a good day. See you. And this is the setup for the testing I just did. Little bit of 3D printing for mounts to hold 2 computers and 2 radars. Thankfully I didn't impale myself on the mount for the camera. Everything went well.